Steve, man, I had the best time this week. What's that?
Yeah.
Tomorrow's Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
2000, what year?
This is 2016.
Yeah. I said,
Today's
man,
November the 23rd.
if I got this camera turned right.
Yeah.
Huh? Yeah, I got it.
Look at this. I got burned with that birthday cake. I don't know if I'm gonna scare these turkeys away or not. Can you shine it on me? Well,
Look how, you think that'll scare them?
actually,
Oh. Told you it was backward. You think this, I know it. You think this is gonna scare them turkeys?
if you stay down low.
Well,
You
maybe
stay behind me.
if they
Don't be
do they
spooky.
do they smell? Look, we're
You
gonna have
gotta
to get
sneak
down
in
there.
here.
It's almost 9 a.m.
You gotta
Day before Thanksgiving.
Right, now you gotta be quiet.
2006. Oh,
You sneak in here on this here food plot.
all right, I want you to do something for me. Well, I forgot my turkey caller. Will you do your turkey thing for me?
I'm gonna have to call them in.
Yeah, go ahead.
First, before you see them, I'm gonna see how many's in the field. And then we
Let's
come
go. I ain't
back.
got much film. Go ahead.
Okay, well just cut it for a minute. Cut it so
No.
I can see how many's in there.
I see. Great goodness, I see turkey too. Well, go ahead. Go ahead.
Let's look
Why
down
is it showing me?
because it's aimed at you. Now,
That
let's
ain't
see.
right.
All right, what we gotta do here is we gotta get everybody a turkey.
So
we,
the camera's back on what I'm trying to
yeah, it's just you got that's right. Now you got it right. So we need one for who?
I ain't got it right. Go ahead.
Okay, how many turkeys we need? We need one for Uncle Jack.
Yeah.
Need one for Uncle Thurman.
Yeah.
We're gonna need one for Mom and Daddy. They'll like a turkey.
Yeah.
Terry,
I think 25. Go ahead,
Terry, and Janice, and
Janice,
Pat and Teresa, and
Charles.
Janice Smith.
Charles Bell.
Oh yeah, Charles
Larry
Bell.
Newman.
Larry Newman. Yeah, Larry, he loved good turkey.
Okay.
And did we get Johnny? We'll just get an extra one.
Yeah,
So,
get-
how many we got?
we gotta
1,
hurry
2,
up.
3,
We're gonna be
4,
gone in a
5,
minute.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Right.
We got plenty of turkeys out here we can get.
I promise you ain't seen so many turkeys. This thing is backwards.
Just ease over there. You cut the film until we get a little bit
I'm
closer.
telling you it's backwards.
Yeah, I know, but it's right now. You got it. Just do like. All right, now just cut it for now until we can get a little closer. How many turkeys do
All
we
right, I
need?
got it now. All right.
You gotta get down. You gotta get down.
How you know so much about them? I'm the one that got the turkeys.
Right here.
Okay. Look. I think I got this. I'm a better turkey. See, I'm better at this than you are.
Okay, I think we got it. We got it.
Yeah.
All right, now.
Here they come.
Now show them how many we got up there. Now show them how many turkeys we done got. Look
Here,
how many we done called in.
Hold the
We've been
gun.
out here
Hold the
about-
gun.
We've been out here about 20 minutes. And we have called these son of guns in. They are everywhere.
I told you. Look at them everywhere. I got this thing backwards again. Do the turkey call. Did that help?
I don't know. I think that means that's the mating call. You don't want to scare them off.
Here they come. I ain't scared them.
I'm trying to look for a Tom. Both of them look like Jakes. I don't see none with a beard.
A beard?
Yeah, they gotta have a beard to be a Tom. Oh my.
You better getting it going.
Oh, well.
Look at that, there's a whole bunch of them over there. They over here. They everywhere.
Yeah, I don't want to go to jail.
You ready?
Yeah, I got the gun loaded. I got some number 8s.
Don't shoot them over there. Shoot them over here. That's closer. Get over here. You have to keep your mouth closed. Them turkeys really do some spitting.
Do they? Yeah, I'm telling you, they eat the tractors. My tractors eat. I'm so happy you come with me. Go ahead, get ready. There's a whole cluster of turkeys right over here.
I can't hold this in there. Doggone. I might have to put Uncle Jack good luck hat down on the ground.
Okay, man, that's a cluster right here.
But this one right here, he's out there.
You gonna way out there, man?
Ooh, yeah.
Told you they're hard to hit.
Oh no, man. Now I just got to find my range. I can get him in there.
What? I mean, the range is up there.
Yeah. Where's things in range?
That's one spread out for you. That's an eagle. That might be an eagle.
Yeah, I think it might be.
I better shot than you.
I believe you might be. Let me give it one more good shot. I'm gonna put this one right. My arms ain't long enough.
You got a jack. Ooh, went right between two of them.
Yeah, use these number 8. These are number 8s. Yeah.
I don't want to break my Apple Watch here.
Don't break that. Man, Lord. You got
Just
that.
keep me spied bullet.
Boy, I'm telling you.
Guys, I'll show you what turkey shooting.
Okay. Oh, sweet.
Uh-oh. Give me some bullets.
Here's some more. Yeah. I know everybody looking forward to a turkey. Oh, you get close enough, they're
How
gonna
many turkeys
spit on
did
you.
they wear there? Ooh, get that one. Ooh. Close it comes in. He said, what that is? Give me some more bullets.
You got a ammunition.
Got you.
Uncle Thurman, that Bobby.
Ready? Look at him. Why they leaving? Damn, that's too close. That one, he ducked his head a little bit. They talking it over.
Yeah. Yeah, well,
How many we got?
we got 3 in the bag.
Let me get one for Jack.
Yeah, get one wrong with
Give me
that.
some more bullets.
Get a big one.
We need here. They gonna come back and see.
If we get an eagle, we're gonna be in trouble, and we can't do
Oh no! Don't do the eagle.
Oh.
Look how they over there too. Look how they over there too.
I tell you. And you said I couldn't call no turkeys in. I'm telling you,
I'm
man.
telling you, do it again.
Huh?
Call them. Hey, let me try it.
Ain't more than gonna be down here.
I'm pretty good at this. Raised in the city. Huh?
Ain't nobody out there hunting you on time.
I ain't heard no shot. Is this deer hunting season?
Yes.
Well,
Uh-oh. What's gonna happen here? Okay, now we're good. Oh, I'm gonna get this in here. He's flying. Look. Oh, I got him.
Yeah.
I just had a thought come to my mind, but I'm gonna keep it myself.
I did. I thought this morning it might be down in there. Look
Oh,
at
look
this. Isn't
at
this beautiful?
Oh, look at the beach.
Isn't this beautiful?
It is beautiful.
What?
Yeah,
Look,
gonna borrow this one.
look. Look how much it done got me a load in here while we was gone.
Look at that.
Isn't that beautiful?
Look, I said deer down there.
It's deer all over the place. See how I told you how the leaves are
Yeah.
clogging up and
Right.
the water's coming up. I could move that log over and it'd be, look, see how it's 4 feet deep,
Yeah.
3 feet below
Yeah.
that.
Right.
All that water would be gone and there'd be that much more gold in here.
More gold.
Isn't that something? Look at that, the picnic table. I used to cook
Oh,
my
Lord.
turkeys right here.
Island sinking.
See,
This where
I
you
got to
put-
bring my grandchildren.
Right.
They play on that thing.
Right.
And then I go, oh, I got my grill here. You know, I told you, when it flooded down here, it flooded about 5 or 6, 5 or 6
You
feet.
good? I'm good. You good?
5 or 6. What's funny?
Oh no, man.
5 or 6 feet over this furniture I got down here.
Oh Lord.
It's such a pretty.
This is. It's not. Listen.
I spent 50 something years down here.
Hard labor.
Well, it wasn't too hard. I enjoyed it.
Yeah.
But see, those leaves already stopped that creek up. But I don't even have to go to the mountains. I come down here, play on my tractor.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to edit this. Excuse me, let me lift this over. I want you to see that turkey feathers on your face.
You gotta camouflage. You can't just walk in here. They'll fly off. You gotta have. You got your camo pants on, ain't you?
Oh yeah, you show. Look at my. Show my. I don't wear this outfit
Let me
too
see.
often.
Let me see. Let me see. Oh yeah. Yes sir. Let me get back in. Hold on, I gotta get a. Oh yeah.
Look, that's a turkey seat.
It sure is.
Oh,
Look at
a
that.
deer seat.
Yep, somebody been down here hunting on this property.
Yeah, I think. How many turkeys do you think we already got?
Ah,
I ain't got
Probably-
much film. You better tell me.
probably 8 or 9, I'd say.
We needed 25.
Well, we may have to come back tomorrow.
You got okay.
Come back. We'll try them again tomorrow.
I'll see some more. I like to have. Let me see if I can get 1 or 2 more for. I'm getting tired of shooting.
Yeah. Yeah. Your shoulder hurting?
No, my finger's hard though.
Oh. Pulling that rearing back on that thing, I thought it might hurt your shoulder, you know?
This last roof of my head.
Yeah, now there's houses over there. You shooting toward them houses now.
Well, that's all right.
Okay. Okay then.
Okay.
Okay then. They circling. I ain't never seen.
They stuck on me all the time. Every time I come down, I can't. I ain't got a good clear shot. Oh, got one right in the scrotum. No. Which one's got a beard? A beard. That's one sitting up there. Ooh, that's not pretty close.